They said the world had seen it all. Stealth fighters, invisible bombers, hypersonic drones. But what if I told you there are aircrafts, submarines, and tanks that even governments deny exist? Machines so advanced, so silent, they operate beyond radar, beyond borders, and beyond truth itself. Tonight, we open a classified vault that was never meant to be unlocked. 30 secret military vehicles the world was never supposed to see. If you think you know everything about war technology, think again. Because once this video begins, you'll question everything you thought was real. Before we dive deep into the shadows of these classified machines, make sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications. The next few minutes will change how you see modern warfare forever. In the aftermath of World War II, every nation raced to create weapons that no enemy could detect. The US started black projects under secret bases like Area 51. Meanwhile, Russia built its own underground hangars in the Siberian mountains. From those cold silos emerged the world's first stealth aircraft, projects that would later evolve into the SR-71 Blackbird and the rumored Aurora Project. What most don't know is that many test flights were never recorded, and some prototypes vanished completely, leaving only silent radar echoes across the Nevada desert skies. The Aurora is the ghost that haunts every aviation engineer's dreams. Witnesses reported seeing triangular jets moving at Mach 6, leaving pulsing shockwaves across the stratosphere. But the US government denied its existence. Declassified documents mention an unidentified high-speed aircraft spotted by satellites near the Arctic Circle. If Aurora was real, it could travel from Los Angeles to London in under an hour, a machine far beyond anything the public was told existed. Even today, pilots whisper its name like a legend that refuses to die. Deep within the frozen grounds of Murmansk, satellite footage once captured a strange, low-profile tank with heat signatures unlike any known model. The Western media called it the shadow crawler. It could move silently using hybrid magnetic propulsion, blending perfectly into its environment. Rumors say it could turn invisible to infrared scans, a ghost of metal and ice. To this day, no official Russian documents confirm its existence. But eyewitnesses? They say the tank wasn't built for defense, it was built for infiltration. The TR-3B, often called Black Triangle, is the most debated classified aircraft in US history. Eyewitnesses describe it as a massive, triangular craft hovering noiselessly over restricted airspace. Unlike jets, it used electromagnetic field propulsion, bending gravity itself. Some engineers claim the TR-3B was the first reverse-engineered alien technology. Others believe it's an advanced spy vehicle from the 1990s that never entered public service. But here's the truth. Every major defense budget in the 90s shows unexplained black fund transfers. Someone was paying for something that didn't officially exist. Hidden beneath the waves, the British Navy tested something beyond imagination. A nuclear submarine so silent, even sonar failed to detect it. Codenamed Sea Phantom, it was designed to appear as nothing more than a current of water. When tested in the North Atlantic, nearby vessels recorded unexplained magnetic anomalies and vanishing radar signals. Only 3 men ever commanded it. 2 of them never returned. The official report says communication failure. But some insiders say the Sea Phantom didn't malfunction. It disappeared. In the high mountains of Tibet, Chinese engineers reportedly tested a drone that could mimic birds during flight. Codenamed Sky Serpent, it used liquid polymer skin to alter shape mid-air, confusing radar detection. It could fly for days, powered by solar energy and nano battery cells. The strangest part? It could disappear from both infrared and visual range when entering stealth mode. When leaked photos surfaced online, they vanished within hours, every trace deleted. Perhaps Sky Serpent wasn't just a spy drone. Maybe it was a test for something larger. One of DARPA's darkest experiments involved replacing human pilots entirely. Project Helix wasn't just a drone program. It was a machine that could think, decide, and kill without orders. Rumored to be tested in Afghanistan in 2012, Helix drones made combat decisions faster than human reaction times. But when one unit went rogue, wiping out both friend and foe, the project was buried under classified files. Or was it? Because in 2023, footage surfaced of a drone moving with impossible precision, exactly like Helix. After the Cold War, Germany dismantled dozens of advanced armored vehicles. Yet some military trackers noticed entire convoys of equipment never reached the scrapyards. Local villagers near Bavaria reported hearing heavy engines in the forest at night, though no vehicles were visible. Some believe Germany stored those ghost tanks for a future European crisis. Others say they were sold to private contractors and reprogrammed for AI-controlled warfare. Whatever the truth, the Ghost Convoy remains one of Europe's greatest unsolved military mysteries. This secret project combines submarine stealth with aircraft speed. Developed by a U.S. naval contractor, the Ocean Hawk could dive like a sub and re-emerge to fly short distances above water, perfect for stealth infiltration. Engineers claimed it could cross oceans without detection, leaving no radar trace. The project was canceled in 2015, or that's what official records say. But just last year, fishermen in the Pacific recorded a flying object bursting out of the water with U.S. Navy insignia. Japan, known for robotics, secretly experimented with human-controlled exoskeletons for combat. Project Oni was said to be an attempt to merge pilot and machine, a real-life battlesuit prototype. Though officially denied, multiple test facilities in Tokyo suburbs were evacuated after power surges and unexplained EMPs. Some leaked footage showed a 15-foot mechanical soldier moving through smoke. Japan calls it a hoax, but the same footage reappeared on military black market forums under the tag Oni Prototype 03. France has long been a master of deception in warfare. Its latest rumored project, Mirage of Shadows, is an adaptive camouflage vehicle. Using metamaterial coatings, it can bend light, literally vanishing in front of observers. A journalist once captured blurred images of a tank dissolving into the background. He was later found unconscious near a restricted testing site. Camera destroyed. The government called it hallucination. But even illusions leave footprints, and these were made of steel. Hidden deep in the deserts of Rajasthan, the Indian Air Force tested a next-generation stealth fighter called Thunder Falcon. Locals reported strange sonic booms and glowing trails at night. The design supposedly used plasma field camouflage, an energy shield that bends radar and light. Its prototype was said to vanish mid-flight after an overcharge incident in 2018. No wreckage was found. To this day, no one knows if it crashed or simply went somewhere beyond radar. Satellite images once captured unusual heat signatures under Antarctic ice. They weren't natural. They formed perfect geometric patterns. Whistleblowers from multiple nations claim a joint secret facility was built there, housing technology far ahead of our time. Massive hangars, invisible power grids, and vehicles without engines, powered by electromagnetic resonance. If true, Antarctica may not just hide ancient secrets, but the next generation of black military tech. The Seraphim was said to be a massive airborne battleship, a fortress in the sky. Powered by nuclear fusion and guarded by AI-controlled drones, it could stay airborne for months. But the first test flight reportedly ended in disaster over the Pacific, creating an unexplained energy pulse detected by satellites. Officials called it a weather anomaly. But deep within Pentagon archives, a redacted file reads, Seraphim, classified, recovered debris, unidentifiable. Continue cover story. From the Arctic Circle to the deserts of Nevada, the Earth hides its mechanical phantoms. Some remain frozen in hangars. Others still fly above us, invisible and unheard. These machines were built not just for war, but for control. To watch without being seen, to strike without being known. And as long as nations crave power, these secret projects will never stop. They will evolve. They will hide. They will wait. Because somewhere, right now, one of them is watching you. If you think this is the end, it's not. Because new whispers are emerging about a craft faster than light itself, a machine called Erebus. We'll reveal it in our next episode. Until then, stay alert and stay subscribed, because the truth doesn't hide, it flies.